Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're finally doing this video. I'm so excited because I've been waiting for the other half of these lipsticks to come. I'm doing lip swatches of the new Huda Beauty Power Bullet Cream Glow lipsticks. I was so excited for these because you guys know I have mentioned the Power Bullet mattes on my channel for years now. They're literally my favorite formula of lipstick, like out of any brand. It's truly the best like lipstick formula I've ever tried. So when I found out that Huda was coming out with like creamy versions of them, I was just the most excited person ever. So I'm doing lip swatches of all 14 shades. These are already available. They launched like last week or like 2 weeks ago now. I had there's like two different categories of them. There's the sweet nudes and the bossy browns. I only had the sweet nudes and those were the ones that I did swatches of over on Instagram. So I was waiting for the bossy browns to come in. You guys know how much I love my brown lipstick, so I was like stoked for them. So they're finally here. I'm finally sitting down and filming lip swatches, and I just want to say I did swatch all 14 shades and my lips like don't even feel like dry. They don't feel like they're gonna fall off, you know, like when you usually do like lip swatches, especially for 14 lipsticks. They just were so creamy. So these are a creamy version of the Power Bullet regular like matte formula, which if you haven't tried the regular matte formula, if you like matte lipsticks but that like are not drying or like just the most creamiest matte lipsticks ever, please try the regular matte formula because they're amazing. We'll put the swatches in after I give you a little info real quick. Like I said, they are already available on the Huda website and also at Sephora. They are $25 each, which it kind of is a lot for like a lipstick, but like I feel like it's definitely worth the $25. I've always recommended the Power Bullet mattes, and literally every single person I've ever recommended them to was like they're the best formula. So there are 14 shades. There are sweet nudes, which have 7 like more nude shades, and then bossy browns, which is another 7 like more on the brown tone side. There are some darker shades in the sweet nudes and there are some lighter shades in the bossy browns. It's just like more like tone wise, I guess. So they are a creamy formula. They're hydrating. They have a high shine finish. They say that they're plumping. I don't think that they're super plumping. They make your lips look plump, but you guys know I can't use like lip plumping products, and I don't think that they're like plumping or anything. I think it's definitely like the creaminess and the shininess make your lips look plump. These are vegan and cruelty free. It says it's an ultra hydrating, ultra comfortable lipstick that gives the lips a natural, fuller looking pout with a dewy finish. It says it has Maxi Lip, which supports collagen production to plump with lasting effects when used regularly. I've been wearing these every day and I haven't like noticed anything crazy. So if you're like me and sensitive to like lip plumping products, I don't think it's anything drastic. It's Hydra Berry that hydrates and moisturizes, Sea Fennel, which contains vitamins A, C, and E, and conditioning properties that help improve the texture of your lips. Like I said, it's a vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. It comes in all-inclusive brown and pink shades that were created to match your natural lip pigmentation, while the buildable coverage hugs the lips with a barely there feel. It is super buttery, so you'll want to reapply them and again. It's also perfect for low-key days at home or on the go. So I definitely think that that description is very accurate. Like I said, I've been wearing these for like the last couple weeks already because I've had some of them. They are literally so comfortable. For a creamy lipstick, I do feel like they last pretty long on the lips. They're not like, they don't just like come off really easily, you know? They are like a more buildable coverage. They do give like really good pigment at first, but you can build it up as well. Like I feel like these sweet nude ones I can use like more on like on a daily basis where I'm not wearing like a full face of makeup. Some of them I've been wearing like on a daily basis where like just, you know, mascara, concealer, blush, and that's it. So I really like that about them. I want to say these are super creamy, so be careful with them. I have, well, one of them I dropped while I was outside doing swatches, and one of them broke because of that, but another one I did break like just swatching it too hard, so just be careful because they are really soft. I noticed that with a lot of like lipstick that are like really creamy buttery formulas, kind of like the Fenty Slip Shines. Theirs kind of do that too if you do it a little too hard and like pull it up too much, so just be careful with that. They're super creamy. When they glide on, it's literally like butter. I'll get into that like in the review part of the video. I just wanted to give you like some info about them at first, and that's like just kind of like the difference between these and like the matte ones. These are definitely more like shiny. They're not super shiny though, like they don't look like a gloss. It's like a really nice, like just creamy lipstick formula. They look like the regular Power Bullet mattes, but this one has like a more sheer lid. So you can tell the difference between a matte one and a cream one. The matte one is just like fully opaque and it still has that gradient effect, but you can definitely like side by side see the difference. So that is really nice because I do have all of like the matte ones, so it's nice to be able to like tell which one is which. I'll link these down below for you guys if you want to check them out, and I also will put little stars or asterisks next to my favorite shades, but I'll talk about my favorite shades at the end of the video. But just for later reference or anything, if you want to like go back to it, I will put little asterisks next to my favorite shades. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert those lip swatches right here. I will swatch all 14 of them for you guys. As always, just remember lipsticks look different on everyone. I don't have very pigmented lips. I mentioned this before in other lip swatches videos, so keep that in mind. Your natural pigment will also kind of like affect each color, your skin tone. For me, I have a very like neutral skin tone and I just don't have pigmented lips, so a lot of times the lipsticks kind of come off true to color, which is like a good thing. You can kind of like see the true color, but people that have like more like red or like more pigmented lips, like they will definitely look different on everyone. Just keep that in mind. But anyways, I'll go ahead and shut up, insert those swatches right here, enjoy, and I'll give you guys my review after the swatches.
All I want to do is find a place where it will be so dark I can't see. I'll let the music guide me. I see through silence and follow it to some reality. At night I feel alive, and all the flashing colors fill inside my mind. I breathe and close my eyes. The music animates me till I'm out of time. A paradise never turned to black and white. Let's make time tomorrow for doing nothing. I'm just gonna say goodbye to yesterday and all the days of shades alleviate the grace. At night I feel alive, and all the flashing colors fill inside my mind. I breathe and close my eyes. The music animates me till I'm out of time. Paradise never turned to black and white. Let's make time to tomorrow for doing nothing. At night I feel alive, and all the flashing colors fill inside my mind. I breathe and close my eyes. The music animates me till I'm out of time. A paradise, and I feel alive, and all the flashing colors fill inside my mind. I breathe and close my eyes. The music animates me till I
Alright, so those are all 14 swatches of the new Huda Beauty Power Bullet Cream Glow lipsticks. I hope that that was helpful for you. Let me give you guys my little review real quick. It's going to be super straight to the point. I love these. I love these just as much as I love the regular Power Bullet mattes. They are such a nice formula. So nice on the lips. It literally just glides on. Like, I'm not even exaggerating when I say that. When it touches your lips, it just glides on like butter. It truly does. Like, I remember the first time I swatched them, I was like, oh my god, it glides on so nicely. So my favorite shades, my favorite shade I think out of all 14 is Boss Chick. Is it Boss Chick or Gold Digger? Or Moneymaker? I think it was Moneymaker or Boss Chick. I can't remember. I'll put it on the screen right here because I just swatched so many. I was like, wait, which one is which? I think it was Boss Chick. This is the one. I've just tried the Bossy Browns right now for the first time, but color-wise, Boss Chick, so good. I love this one. I'm wearing Self-Made. You guys know I like my darker browns. It's just, I love dark brown lipstick on me. Truly, I love all the Bossy Brown ones, all 7 of them. The one I like probably don't care for the most is Empress, but I think with the right lip liner, it would look really nice. It's just really nude, but it's like the perfect nude for me. It's like a very nice, like beigey nude color. It's really nice. It's very hard to find like an actual true nude for my skin tone, and I actually feel like this one works. On its own, I look like the Crypt Keeper, but I feel like I said, with the right lip liner, it might look really nice. I've been using the new lip contour 2.0s from Huda. Warm brown is like my favorite. I feel like with this it might look really nice. Really, all the other Bossy Browns I absolutely love. Like I said, I think my 2 favorite out of all of them is probably Boss Chick, Self-Made, and Moneymaker. But the sweet nude ones, I've been wearing Sweet Cheeks and Honey Bun like a ton. I love Honey Bun. It's like this really pretty like nude pinkish tone. It works really well as like just over like any lip liner. Sweet Cheeks, I think for sure out of all of the sweet nude ones, I think Sweet Cheeks is my favorite. It's not too nude and it's not too dark. It's like really that perfect like lip color. So Sweet Cheeks from the sweet nude ones, bomb. I also really like Habibi. I feel like I'm always saying this wrong. This is the one that I broke like initially outside when I was doing swatches because I dropped it. But I really like this shade too. Buttercup, did I say this one already? This is a really nice nude lipstick as well. This one is definitely more like a pinky nude, and I feel like it's a lot more wearable maybe even just on its own. Whereas like Empress, I feel like I definitely need like a lip liner with it. Buttercup I feel like is good on its own for like a really super nude lipstick. So overall, I love the formula of these so much. And again, I'm wearing Self-Made right now and I love this one. And I'm super picky when it comes to like not matte dark brown lipsticks. When I do wear a darker lip, I like it to be matte, but this one, even just being like shiny and creamy, it looks really nice. I love it. I love these. It's really good. I definitely recommend them. It's just so nice on the lips. And if you don't like matte lipsticks and you want something just creamy, something to throw on every day, this is like the formula for you. Like I said, I can wear some of these like just on an everyday basis, just keep it in my purse and throw it on, and it's super easy. Anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you if you guys were thinking about picking any of these up and just kind of like curious about the new formula and stuff. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.